we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sydney and this is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse. I finally am able to decorate our front porch for fall and I could not be more excited. I hope you guys enjoy this short video on the before and after transformation of our front porch. I picked up everything that you'll see just from our local nursery. If you're in the Kansas City area, it was Suburban Lawn and Garden, but if not, you can find all of the things I found at your local nursery. I went ahead and kept our pumpkins pretty neutral in color. You will see at the end of this video the most amazing front porch mat that I have ever found. I'm so excited about it. It totally ties everything together, but it is a very bold mat, so I wanted to contrast that with very light colored pumpkins. So let's get on in to decorating the front porch. Picked up just this plastic planter. It didn't have holes in the bottom of it, so I went ahead and took like a 3/8 drill bit and drilled holes in the bottom of it so we could get some water able to go through it. And I picked up a couple of plants I thought would just be really pretty for the front porch. A tip that I learned is when you're planting like a multi-plant pot is that you want something that is a thriller, so something that's tall, a filler, so something that can go around it, and then a spiller, so something that spills over the top. So these are the Super Bell Double Amber, and I don't know the first thing about plants. I'm not going to pretend that I do, but I am going to follow the rules on the little planting sticks that they give you. So I saved these, and if they do really well this year, then I'm going to have them for reference for next year. So just a little tip for you. So I got 2 of those, and then these tiny little mums. Now these have already bloomed, so they're not going to bloom again, but there's plenty of little blooms on there that will continue to bloom, so I figured that these would be okay. If you have one that's like totally full with no new blooms or soon to be blooms, I wouldn't get it because that's the end of that mum's life. So make sure you find one that has plenty of little new buds or not even open ones, because those will continue to bloom throughout the fall season. And then I just picked up this grass here that I was going to put, this is called Graceful Skyrocket.
Deep and abiding, liking for you. I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful deal.
One of the drawbacks of having long nails, but there is nothing quite like getting in the soil with your bare hands. I love it.
I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found.
Like I mentioned before, I went ahead and got a bunch of pumpkins. Most of them are pretty light colored. Some white pumpkins. Then I loved the big white one that has the orange on it. I just thought it was so cool. So I picked that one up, and then a lot of small pumpkins. I could not recommend getting small pumpkins enough. I feel like it really ties everything together. It makes everything just cohesive and fills in those voided areas perfectly. So definitely, if you're decorating your front porch for fall this year, try getting a bunch of small pumpkins, and it doesn't break the bank. Those small pumpkins were super, super affordable. I'm going to show you guys our new front porch mat, which it just fits our family so well, and I love the way it tied everything together. And then that's the end. We've decorated the front porch. I love how everything turned out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new, I'd love to have you become part of the Farmhouse family, and you can hit that subscribe button so you get notified when I come out with new videos.
That I love you. Ooh, ooh, you. Ooh, ooh, you. Ooh, ooh, you. Ooh, you're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say, you're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes.